Alright, today we're going to take a look at a very big Frigidaire. I don't think I've ever had one this big. I can't recall, but this is a 12,000. Here's the label. It's from 2014, so it's probably sold 2015. It's pretty big. It's not that big considering it's a 12,000. I cleaned this up. I spent a couple hours cleaning this. It's in pretty good shape. It's got one little dent here, and the bottom of this panel is broken off. I have a couple of panels, but I only have right side panels. I don't have another left side panel, so I can't replace it. So let's turn it on. Yeah, this is a really common style, this, but they sell very well. People seem to like this style. So the compressor came on. Oh, we're on economy. I'll just leave it there. I don't want to shut the compressor off. This runs pretty nice. It's got a very strong fan in it. I guess because it's such a big air conditioner, they put big fans in them. And that's on low. Yeah, these seem to be good air conditioners. They seem to hold up for a while. The label's all faded off the motor. A label for compressors inside here. It's a GMCC. I'm not gonna be able to focus on it. It's not a particularly quiet compressor. Sometimes those sound nice, those GMCCs. That one's a little loud. Nothing wrong with it, it's just a little noisier than others. So this is on low. It's auto. Here's high. Yeah, high is really strong. Medium, low again. So there you go, there's a 12,000 BTU Frigidaire. I will see you next time.